Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides a single sign-on solution for Magento, and as we know, it is the best SAML SSO solution available in the market. So in this video, we are going to see how to set up role and group mapping. Let's get started with the setup. Now, go to the Role Mapping tab. Role mapping can be used to assign different Magento roles to the users based on their SAML attributes. The particular roles will be applied to users once they meet the specified conditions while logging into Magento via single sign-on. This feature allows you to provide user capabilities based on their IDP attribute group values. Before enabling this setting, please make sure you've configured the attribute name in the group role field of the attribute mapping section. If you do not want to automatically create users if roles are not mapped, then enable Do Not Want Auto Create Users if Roles Are Not Mapped Here checkbox. If you want to update backend roles on SSO, enable this checkbox. If you want to update front-end roles on SSO, enable this checkbox. Let's configure role mapping for administrator. Copy group from the test configuration which you want to map to the administrator, and paste it into the text box. Now let's map the group for the customers. Copy group from the test configuration and add it into the text box in which you want to map roles for the customers. And click on the Save button to save the configuration. Let's see how the group mapping works for the customers. Click on the Sign In. Here you will see SSO button on your customer login page. Click on the button and perform SSO using Azure AD. You will be redirected to Azure AD's login portal. Enter your Azure AD login credentials and click on Sign In button. Go to the admin dashboard. Click on the customers from the left menu bar. Then click on the All Customers. As you can see, the user has been automatically created and the wholesale role assigned to it. You have successfully set up group mapping for the customers. Let's see how the role mapping works for the admin. Here you will see the SSO button on your admin page. Click on the button to initiate SSO as an admin. You will be redirected to Azure AD's login portal. Enter your Azure AD login credentials and click on Sign In button. You have successfully set up role mapping for the admins. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us at magentosupport@securify.com.